It doesn't take that long. You need to find out and call me back. He said the setting's been done. It's just been done now. Let's go to the workshop.
Knowledge is power.
Got it. Yeah. I've yet to see his watch. I've had shook hands and his wording was immaculate. So we'll see that in the morning.
So there's only 3 years in production.
Jobs are good in. Everything that was going wrong has now gone right. So when there's a will, there's a way, and when there's a little pressure from Tilly, panic is on. This afternoon or tomorrow morning, he said the setting's done. I said, what, to put a dial in and put it back together? He said, no, the dial's done. I said, it doesn't take that long. You need to find out and call me back. Put a watch back together. He said the setting's been done. It's just been done now. So we have a lady's watch in for setting that a customer wants, and she wants a Tiffany dial put in the watch. We've been having it set for a few days now. We was given a deadline of today. It's not been done, so we need to get on the ball with the workshop, make sure it's done so we've got a happy customer by the end of the day. It's 11:07 to be precise, 11:07, and I think the customer's coming in around 2 o'clock, so we've got about 3 hours to get it done. Getting in the heart of Hatton Garden, we're going to see how this lady's watch is getting on, so let's go to the workshop. Just going to see how this shoulders are getting on that was being set for a customer, so let's have a look.
Then you've got cards here.
No, I don't think it's done yet anyway, that's fine. So we've had the watch done in time. It looks absolutely beautiful, so it's time to get it back to the customer. Jobs are good in. Everything that was going wrong has now gone right. So where there's a will, there's a way, and when there's a little pressure from Tilly, panic is on.
I'll tell you what I'm doing right now, Mikey. Right now I'm uploading watches to the Instagram to get in sales for January. January's obviously not as busy as December because of Christmas. It's probably the most quiet month of the year. So we're just pushing the Instagram. You know, people that are sitting there at home asking how I can become successful. You've got to keep pushing, pushing, pushing. We don't stop. That's why we do well when we're selling watches. But at the moment, I'm just uploading stories. But on the stories, I'm also uploading information behind the watch. So, for example, I'm uploading this Rolex Submariner. I'm then putting, obviously, giving a bit of history about the watch, when it was released, 1954, you know, what sort of year this one is, sort of how they are in the market. So, yeah, I mean, it's going to be a bit late now, but if you was watching the Instagram today on this episode, drop a comment, let me know if you like it. Rolex Submariner, reference 126610LB. This is the Mark 1 bezel of the newly introduced Kermit, which was first released in 2003 and then discontinued in 2010. This model is available 2021 box and papers, 13250. Knowledge is power. Rolex Sky-Dweller, reference 326934. First released in 2012, the Sky-Dweller. The Sky-Dweller's model was originally known for only being available in precious metals. However, in 2017 they decided to make the model in stainless steel. This model is available 2018 box papers 13.8. Have a little think on it. Yeah, more than welcome. We're here till 5 today anyway, but
do you work on Saturday?
Saturdays we do, yeah. Just give me a call obviously before you come down, and then because obviously if you leave it until next week I might have bought some in by then, so just
okay, cool.
Have a little think on it, and then yeah, we're here Saturdays 10 till 5.
And how much?
Yachtmaster is 10650.
And the
Hulk 16.5. So that was a gentleman just quickly popped in, was just literally walking by, called us up, just really wanted to come in and ask us if we'd want to buy a watch. So he had a Rolex Submariner, which we made him an offer on. So he'll go away, have a think about it and let us know. I would always say for anyone out there who is looking to potentially buy and get into a Submariner, the sub dates tend to be the easier sellers and better sellers. So I'd always advise to go for that one if you're deciding between the two. However, the non-date is clean, looks a bit more symmetrical as well. So pick, but go for the date.
There's 10,500 quid for a 213. A green and white car, like a 2015 for example, might cost you like 12.5, okay, 12.8, 13 grand, something like that. The new cars can cost you like 14.5. Yeah, 14.5. So you're paying for it either way.
Okay. And these, what, the bluesies?
So I've got a couple of them left. Let me check. So I took one yesterday. I've got a 2022 one.
Yeah.
So like fairly new. I think that's that one there, isn't it? Oh, that's 2019, that one.
Oh, 19.
And this one's a 2022.
Okay. Alright, so 2022, what you saying? Which one's it, 2022?
14.5 for this one.
Alright.
13 and a quarter for the 19.
Alright.
Even got the looms, Carl.
Yeah, I know, look. It's clever. What is it? A Samsung.
Yeah.
So you can just change the dials.
Yeah, you can change
download
the
them.
Yeah, I can do, yeah. So,
I've seen you can do AP and everything, can't you? You can do
yeah,
that.
you can do all that, yeah.
Yeah, print out what I need. Is it have to do part exchange?
Yeah.
I just don't really need that watch. It's mad because it's, you know,
I know.
I just don't particularly need that watch right now. How's condition that one?
Immaculate.
Immaculate.
Yeah. I'd say.
Full links, full set.
Full set.
Tags.
Box and paper. Yeah. Very rarely do I wear my watch, to be honest with you. But it's just because it's my birthday, so.
Oh, you got to treat yourself.
I'm treating myself. Yeah. Upgrade it.
One sec. Yeah, so like that on yours will be absolutely set.
So what year is this one? So you said
2022 or 2019.
I'll be there first thing.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2022, immaculate, like new, Bluesy Submariner going out today to this gentleman. We're taking his watch in the part exchange. I'm yet to see his watch. I've actually shook hands, and his wording was immaculate. So we'll see that in the morning. A lovely watch. Taking Bluesy today.
Well, look, if I went 31 for the THREE, yeah, minus 13.8 for the sub,
Yeah.
so it'd be 12.7 for yours.
Yeah.
If we done 31, but that's the lowest I can go. I wouldn't drop any more for any of them because we don't get them from Rolex or anything. Do you know what I mean? We've still got to pay people premiums when they get them from Rolex. Like Rolex hate us really. Because they know if we get hands on one of them watches, we're selling it straight away.
Sell it off.
So if they wouldn't serve us if we went in there. So like we're still like having to pay, I don't know, £1,000 premium on certain watches what people get from ADs. The people from the ADs are the ones who are getting the sort of best money, especially if you're getting like sports models and stuff. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I could do that. So that'd work out yours being 12.7.
Okay, let's do the deal.
So that's 31 in total.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the factory blue diamond dial, still and gold blue sub. Do not see these often. They was only around 2009 to 2012. So there's only 3 years in production. Hence why you don't really see that many. As well as the still and gold blue, we have sold a steel and rose Wimbledon dial and a still and gold 26mm. All in one day, all in one scene, all in one customer.
I'll just ask the question about the 23.
Yes, and I'll probably pay extra 1,000 for a 2023, so it'll be 19.5.
9.5. So basically, this is the model that I want to try and go for. But
Yeah.
would it be down to like personal preference? Like I'm probably going to keep the watch for maybe a year or so.
Yeah, it does all come down to personal preference. I mean, are you near to Liverpool Street branch?
No, I'm in Birmingham myself, but I'm always in London, so.
I mean, Blue Sky is always a good one. Is it your first Rolex?
Second.
Second.
I got that girl, yeah.
I think that Sky-Dweller is always a good buy, especially the blue face. But in the meantime,
Yes.
if you're more than welcome to come in with your budget and try a few on and get because obviously I know you want it to hold its value and everything, but also you want to buy one that you actually do like the look of, if that makes sense.
Yes, yeah.
So you're more than welcome to come in and try some on, and then we can talk you through them, and then you can pick on the day, if that helps.
Okay. Yeah, that might be a better
We are
option
open
to me.
tomorrow as well on a Saturday, if that helps you as well. If you're not working, you can come up on a Saturday.
What time are you guys open till?
10 till 5.
To be honest, yeah, it's a watch that I've been looking for now, looking at for a while now, and I've seen they've come down quite a lot, haven't they?
Yeah,
So it's probably a good time to buy.
Yeah, I'd recommend buying one, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think it's a good buy. But that, yeah, again, it's down to personal preference.
And just for yourself, if you was going to buy one, would you go for like a 23 or would you 21? How would it work?
I mean,
personal preference again.
I wouldn't be probably too bothered about the year now because we're in 2024, so 2023 isn't considered brand new, if that makes sense.
Yes.
So either one is what you prefer wearing, to be honest. So it doesn't really matter in the year. Yeah, it's all down to you.
Okay, then leave it with me. I'll probably just call back a bit later and just purchase that one, to be honest.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah, if I'm free, I'll see how it goes. I might try and pop down tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Thank you for your help.
No, you're more than welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take
You
care.
too. Bye bye. Yes. So, customer is interested in a a Blueface Sky-Dweller, stainless steel 2023 stainless steel. Did I just say stainless steel twice?
Yeah.
Customer is interested in a Blue Sky stainless steel Jubilee bracelet in a 2023 one. We have quoted him. He's gonna call us back and see if he wants to go ahead on it because he has been wanting this one for a little while. If not, he's gonna come up and try someone within his budget.
Where have you come in from anyway?
Today Liverpool. Oh yeah, it came from Liverpool today, but
Accent's American, no?
yeah.
Oh,
Florida.
cool.
Yeah.
Florida?
Yeah.
Nice. Disney, the Disney World.
Exactly, yeah.
Disneyland.
No, it's Disney World.
Yeah,
Oh.
Disneyland.
I've actually been 3 times.
Disneyland is in
Correct
California.
We have just sold a lovely custom diamond set GMT. Beautiful watch, replicates the Sarus and the Tuxedos GMTs, if you guys are familiar with them. I'll attach a picture here for you guys. But yeah, beautiful watch. As you can see, attention to detail on the diamond setting. You can actually see the diamond setting on the buckle. This intact, very, very delicate setting. As you can see, the actual metal that it's being set on is extremely thin. So to set the diamonds into this and make sure they're nice and secure is a real skill. So big up us.
That one is 9.5. So that's the
dangerous being in here, man.
that's the Datejust too. So it's a previous generation to your one.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Slightly thicker.
It's like gunmetal.
Yeah. So slate grey is lovely look. I prefer that kind of grey than
Harry,
silver.
I'm going to send this lovely watch. It's actually really pretty. That will look lovely in Florida.
Go through it.
Is Miami in Florida?
And you go back and forth. Just a little something from us.
Oh, cool.
Just a little travel pouch.
Oh, I love that.
It's nice and sturdy. This can be something for domestic travels. You can slip in your pocket. This is when you go from country to country.
Amazing, thank you, man.
As you know, guys, finance has been pending for a while now. We're on the last steps of getting it finalized. We're actually getting the team to go through a training, and hopefully we're going to have it set up very, very soon.
Right guys, so today I had a heavy delivery. I assumed it was Waters. We received this. This is bloody heavy. So I'm gonna give it to Callum. I've already opened it, but let's see if Callum can open it. Very kind gift, to be honest. I think it's a gift. Mate, I opened it this morning. It's just 9 squares, 2 symbols, 3 in a row, child's play, right?
Having followed yourselves on social media for a while under plush automatic and being an avid watch collector myself, seeing your progress is a true inspiration for any entrepreneur. Keep it up, lads. Anyway, I just want to show you this, send you this gift. No strings attached. I myself have started a new venture, Opulence Design, Instagram handle opulencedesign.uk, creating bespoke statement pieces of interactive furniture. This is the first in production line, and I want to gift this set to you. Maybe it fitting perfectly in the penthouse somewhere, maybe it won't, but with the getting traction nowadays, getting the right avenues and getting products in front of correct audiences and needing to think outside the box a little bit. I want to see this, no strings attached, show you what you guys do. It's great work, hopefully enjoy the gift. Awesome penthouse, I'll try and get it. That's quite sick. We'll try and get to you guys in one day in the future.
They're rock hard.
Hey, look.
I mean,
They're fucking sick.
unbelievable.
Is that a, it's a thingy set, no?
It's noughts and crosses.
Yeah. I'll be honest, that is like
That's what I said, like when I opened it this morning, I thought it was Waters, and I'm going, oh, I'm trying to get it out, I'm going, what's I've ordered here?
Mate, even the packaging,
Mate, I'll be honest.
Oh mate, that is fucking sick, I'll be honest with you. It's your heavy skin.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, yeah, no, I don't know how you're doing that. What a nice gesture, like obviously we've never dealt with these guys before, but
The shipping alone.
that is craftsmanship. I'll be honest.
So,
Now he's got our attention. What else? Luke, thank you very much.
Honestly,
That is
that's really nice, man.
That is
Look at that. And this, I'm not even mean like for the video. This is
quality.
that's got to be like 15 kilo, probably. A big thank you to Luke at Opulence Design. This is sick. It's something like you'd come across in like Harrods or Selfridges downstairs. You know, little gadget moment. Like,
To be honest, that costs a fortune.
yeah, man. I really appreciate that. So if you want some fancy bits for your home office, like to all the women out there, or you want to buy your partner a fantastic gift for their office or for their home or for the lounge or whatever, this is the governor. This is a real bit of art, but at the same time, it's usable, it's durable. Look at that. Like, that's just not no ordinary noughts and crosses set. That is just a proper piece of art.